Mingla welcome back to East Liago channel. This is Lily. Right now I just arrived in Bangkok and in front of Icon Siam, and I will explore this area. So let's go, guys. Wow, this is a Western temple. You see? It's really beautiful. Okay, let's eat this. We have a mohinga, and in Thailand they have a boat noodle. So I taste their signature one, and I order with pork. As you see, it's a bean sprout and and watergrass. Okay, let's taste it. The taste is not spicy, not too spicy, and it's like our guidio, guidio with soup. It's really like it. Okay, I taste the pork. The meat is really soft. I really like the taste of this soup. Smell also so good. Good. Oh, you can add the chili powder, and also it's a chili. Spicy level is good enough, and I think we need a little bit sour. But it is really perfect for now. I can eat all of this. I'm sure. The price is 40 baht, so which costs around $1, and it is a reasonable price, and with the taste also good, not bad. This shop is in front of Western temple, so if you have a chance to come, so you can eat here. I recommend this shop. finish my noodle now. Look at this. Let's go another shop. Look. Wow, this is a massage shop. You can get full massage, full head, neck, shoulder massage, Thai relaxing wine massage. Yeah, you can get too many kinds of massage. Aloe vera wine. Yeah. So this is CC coffee shop. Not bad. And Fresh Expert is a famous expert in Bangkok. Yeah, I know it. This is another massage shop. Amazing Thai relax massage. You can also get various kinds of massage in here. And I think it's also a boat noodle shop. Yeah. It looks delicious, right? And pork skin. Yeah. Wow. This is a barbecue shop. Yeah. Pork, grey pork, and omelette. I see. What is it? It's a konka. It's a maybe decoration shop, a home decoration shop. Chairs. Okay. Behind me is Taranakon PDS station, and it's connected with here I can see a shopping mall. It's one of the biggest shopping mall in Bangkok, and let's see that. So this is the lighthouse building, and in this building you can get cafe amazon and top daily, and also aesthetic cleaning and for your face and beauty, and also IELTS class for kids. Yeah, so many. Is that a restaurant? Wow, this tiny restaurant got a Grab Thumbs Up Award 2022. Yes. In this restaurant, you can get a set menu. The price is $9.99, so which costs around $30. So I can afford it. So let's go. Do you wanna play a game? Oh, 10 baht. Inside 10 baht quite only. Yeah. All are 10 baht. Okay, today I explore in front of Icon and shopping mall. And if you want to know about the rest of this area, don't forget to check this video from our sister channel, Isli Bangkok. So, bye bye guys. See you in that video. Bye bye.